Welcome back. This is Restore Refurb Works. Today we're gonna do a how-to video on replacing a flat battery on a Adidas Digital watch. First order of business, removing the strap so that you have access to the back case. So usually for watches, regardless it's a simple watch or a high-end watch, most of the time the straps are attached on by spring bars. On rare occasions they are using screws, so make sure you have a sharp and pointy flathead screwdriver to compress onto the spring. Once one side is out, you'll be able to wiggle it outwards to release both ends. So you can see here, right, how it works. Both sides are spring loaded, so you just need to retract a bit and it comes off. So the wife got this watch quite some time back, a fashion sporty one. She liked it because of the looks, and it was kept in the drawer for quite a while. So this morning when I took it out, it was flat, so hopefully there's no leaking and corrosion to the circuit board. Then we should be able to save it using a battery change. So an interesting side, it's a full rectangular-ish mechanism. So wanting to pull out the sticker, but the whole movement came off, so it's okay. I'll show you how to remove the retainer for the battery. So you can see here there's a slot here, right? So use a very pointed tweezer and pry it outwards. It should release the first, then the second catch. So you can see here, both are like partially spring loaded because of the shape. Quite easy. It takes a few tries, but quite easy to do it. And batteries is 2016. So for myself, I'm not that particular for these basic watches, as long as the thickness of and the size of the battery fits, it's okay with me. So I got a 2025 battery, fitted it on and replaced the sticker. So it don't worry, because for some of this digital watch, when you replace a battery, the screen will look haywire, but it takes a while for it to recover. So in this instance, right, yeah, the digits appear immediately. So this is not a full tear down and clean, so I'll just do some minor brushing to make it good. Then just checking that the tabs are not folded in and the push buttons are correctly placed. Otherwise, when you push on the buttons, you won't get a feedback. From here, right, it's good to cycle across the function, the menu, to make sure all 4 buttons in this case are working as it should. Quite straightforward. So next I'll be applying some silicone grease onto the gasket or O-ring, so to a certain extent it rejuvenates the rubber seal and provides some form of water resistance as well. So if you can see, I'm using a bamboo takeout chopsticks broken into half. So these are ways that we can recycle stuff if we don't need it. For some of the back case, right, they might have orientation, but it do pays to be a bit more detailed and careful. So what I would like to is the orientation of the case will be relevant to the facing of the watch itself. Then for this case back, there's 4 screws. I would tighten it on the opposite corners first until 80%, then after which fully tighten it to secure the seal. So doing some brushing on the rubber strap. So usually for watches, be it on a metal bracelet or the rubber strap, the dirt will be from the dead skin from our wrist, or for ladies if they like to apply some lotion, so it will be deposited there using some IPA or some soapy water. You'll be able to remove them. Coming to the end of this tutorial, if you have enjoyed it, do click on the like button. So for more of such videos, do subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. This is Restore Referred Works. Thank you for staying to the end and have a nice day.